Welcome to the Thomas and Friends races. We're going to see which one of these Thomas and Friends Trackmasters is the fastest. And Parker's going to race all these trains. You ready?
Yeah. I'm going to put each one in the line to fight. Look at this. Caitlin's the fastest. She is.
No, I think this Thomas is the fastest. So we'll have him race Caitlin.
I want this Thomas to race.
But I think he's the fastest. Okay.
Yeah, they both can be.
I can't start him at the same time. You'll have to start him. Okay? What?
Ah. And you say something at the end.
Thank you for watching our Thomas and Friends races.